Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Bosch brand dishwasher and you're getting a E01 error on it and you're wondering what is this error and what can I do to get rid of it. So first of all, this E01 error is a heat pump motor circuit fault that's happening at the main control board of the dishwasher. Now the main thing that you can do to get rid of this before you call support is to reset power to the machine. So how you want to reset power to the machine is you want to turn it off, and then once it's off, you want to unplug it from the wall or turn the power off at the circuit breaker to make sure there's no power to it, and leave power to it off for at least 30 seconds to a minute. Once you do that, you can restore power to the machine and turn it back on, and that should clear out the error. And hopefully the error will not come back. If the error does come back, you're going to just need to call either Bosch customer support to help you walk you through what to do next, or call a technician to come out and look at it. But anyways, hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.